Hi everybody, welcome back to another video with some quick tips and advice to help you with your wedding planning. And today I want to talk about dealing with information overload and getting inspiration from the internet and just getting confused by all the social media ideas and things that are out there, and how we can help you to get it organised and be stress-free so your wedding day is going to be absolutely fantastic. Hi everybody, if you don't know me or we haven't already met, my name is Brett Cyril and I'm a professional magician and entertainer. So I've been working in the event industry for over 25 years. I've done thousands of events, and this channel just helps me share some information and knowledge that I've gained over that time working within the industry. So let's get straight into it, and today's topic is dealing with information overload and things on Pinterest and all that kind of stuff. So planning your wedding can be just sometimes a little bit overwhelming. There's so many resources out there. For example, I see on forums that brides or couples, they say these sort of questions of, please can you spam me with the ideas of, or perhaps they'll spend a lot of time looking through Pinterest of lots of photos, and eventually you can just be overwhelmed by so many different things there. You don't know what's going on and you're just getting confused. First of all, make sure you're planning visually and you're imagining your day and what will actually fit. So that way you can piece together everything and you can make a list which is relevant to you. I've done a video on that and I'll link it just up there. So that's the first example of where you kind of need to stand back and look at what's going to form your day and fit in with the themes. And then when it comes to Pinterest, perhaps, or a site like that, when you're looking through lots of pictures of ideas, try and use Pinterest first of all as inspiration, which is great to see lots of different things, but try not to just copy what's there, because if you end up doing that, you're going to just try and copy lots of different things, and again it's not going to fit in with your general theme. And Pinterest is really great because you can either go straight to websites where you can buy things straight away, or you can also use Pinterest in a way that you can be really organized with your day. So create sections on Pinterest and create sections of each part of the day, so you can link all the ideas to that section, and then as you tick those things off, either buying them or creating them or getting inspiration from them, then you can delete them out of that section. And that way you can use it in a way that just helps you organize your thoughts, organize your ideas, and it just makes it a lot less confusing. And bear in mind your overall vision of the day and get everything to fit together. So overall, the tip is use it as inspiration, be organized, and don't confuse yourself. So there's another quick tip. Hopefully it's helped you. Please, if it has, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment and tell us about your wedding planning. So thanks for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Thank you very much and goodbye.